There's an old proverb that says, you have to learn to walk before you can run. So start walking with us and take your first steps in the software test automation world of Tosca.
This course is primarily a tool training for Tosca Testsuite. And, important for you to know, it covers the most basic topics.
We're going to take you on a tour through the test process in Tosca. The journey begins with a brief introduction to Tosca's user interface. In the next step, we will analyze the requirements for the application to be tested, design and build our test cases, and finally we will run them in our sample application. You will get to know the process in Tosca, the basic operations, and a lot of useful tips and tricks in about 1 hour of video, multiple quizzes and exercises. Once you've signed up, you will get them absolutely free.
Are you curious now and eager to learn more? Then join our sessions right now and get the basics of Tricentis Tosca Testsuite, our software testing tool.
If you enjoy this course and wish to further your Tosca education, then visit the Tricentis Academy for more information on which courses are suitable for your specific testing role. Our goal is to show you step by step how to build up your tests with Tosca so that you do the right things and do things right. So sign up now and get in touch with Tosca.